one of my favorite things is sandpaper, and using the Eagle Acelix is literally one of my favorite ones to use. With all the contours and the lines, it really gets into the nooks and crannies of everything. It's very flexible. You need plenty of this to get this kind of quality finish.
We're just checking out all the new stuff. You guys got to come down here and check out these Buff Flex pads, man. These, before you polish, if you guys switch to these, makes your life so much easier, less buffing time. I love this product.